or technology stocks because they will be in focus today as Accenture that has lowered its revenue forecast for the fiscal year 2024 to 1 to 3% from 2 to 5% earlier due to economic uncertainty leading clients to reduce spending on consulting services. Now Accenture's performance is widely regarded as a benchmark for the Indian IT industry, providing a glimpse into the expected outcomes for the Indian IT companies. Now fourth quarter earnings season commences on 12th of April with bellwether TCS reporting its earnings. So coming to you, Mr. Basu Malik, first for this Accenture's cut that we have seen, how do you look at it and what's the impact going to be on the Indian IT companies according to you?
See, I think it's very clear that Indian IT services, especially. So first of all, there's this demarcation today with in Indian IT space, where probably the vast majority of the companies are in IT services, but we do have a few companies which are slightly more on the, say, the ER&D or the product side to a certain extent. So those will have much lesser impact compared to the IT services. But it is true that IT services is undergoing a pretty bad phase. And what typically happens when clients stop spending, right? When there is uncertainty economically, what happens is large IT spenders, they sort of go into a freeze mode, right? So then obviously, other than the keeping the lights on kind of projects, maintenance and operations management kind of projects, the new projects that are sort of the new implementation projects take a backseat. So that is what is happening right now. And I think the other aspect is, the CIOs and the CTOs in companies are now trying to evaluate this new wave of AI to see how that will fit into their overall IT architecture, and how it will how they need to plan their investments accordingly. So my expectation is probably we are going to see another couple of quarters of weakness, after which I think then we are sort of in the bottoming out process from a business perspective in IT. It might be another couple of quarters before sort of the dust settles and things sort of get back to normal in terms of growth and in terms of margins.